You want to say anything to the gang real quick?
Man, we outside.
Yeah, we outside, boy. Let's go. Look at everyone outside, bro. Ooh, what is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the 150, and yeah, we're about to vibe out. Yeah. Let's go. Let's shred. Shoo! The boy Allen. The boy Allen outside on that 250. Let's go, bro. We got the two girls out here whipping it. Let's go. It's so dope just to see girls shredding dirt bikes and quads. Like, it takes balls, bro. Like, doing tricks on these bikes, it's a whole different world, bro. Like, let's see it. Big 450 out here. Jeez. Bro, like, that's a lot of power to get used to. She's killing it on a knee knock. Let's go. You like it better than your DRZ? Yeah, let's go. So she switched from a DRZ to the YZ 450, and it's definitely a good move. Like when you're on a DRZ and then you switch to like a 450, you're never going back to a DRZ. That's it. Let's go. Woo! That's good. Is that a 65? 85, alright. It almost looks like it's 65 because it's like, it's a small wheel, looks like. Woo! Little no hand. We outside. That's sketchy, dog.
Yeah.
You gotta tie that shit up like this.
No, yeah, right now it doesn't work. It was tied up, but a little slip right there, it's not working.
I swear this is how the people in the UK be riding, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's pull it up. I swear, I'm gonna ask him, bro. I'm asking him from the UK, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Your helmet, it looks like you're from the UK. You probably don't know what the hell I just said. Let's go. Woo, we outside right now. You good? Dude, that was rough, bro. Yo, everyone going right now, dude. Did you understand what I was saying or no?
Yeah.
I said, you know how the UK they wear helmets like this? Yeah, sort of like they have like the modular type shit. I'm gonna say it's hot, bro.
Wait, did you record that?
Yeah, I was right behind you. Let's go! Let's get it. Y'all remember this chick from last time? Ooh! The big 700. Big 700. They're whipping it. Oh, you cracked it?
Yeah, but I got two more.
That happened just now? Yeah. Damn. How's your body feeling? No, I bet, bro. Let's see some wheelies. Let's see it. He just got that bike, the MT-07. He was on a dirt bike, but he switched over to the sport bike world. And I'm like, bruh. How could you leave behind these dirt bikes? MT-07 out here. me try it? Hey, be careful with my baby. I gotta make sure I don't go too far because I don't want to hit this. Y'all see his YouTube, Mr. Supermoto. Shout out to homie. He actually let me use the battery because I didn't bring any batteries. Is the back close or no?
Nah, you're good.
I'm good, alright. I don't want to hit it off.
Good, it's coming off anyway.
Nah, but not for me. Yo, this thing feels good. It feels really good, bro. So smooth. I felt comfy on this thing, bro. Swerving that hoe, boy. We got M2's girl on the big 450, bro. Let's go. In the one-hander. Straight to some quad action, boy. Hey, what is that?
I guess this is for the neck. You know how this all.
Oh, the net. Oh, I was thinking maybe you shift lock on it.
Oh,
Yeah, like that. No hand.
No, for real. That's a good idea.
It might work. Bro, he has like his own shift lock device. DRZs. Let's go. He's giving me that look, bro. Shit. Let's go. Bro, I was in the stand up hitting a rev limiter, dog. We got the girls out here. Look. You might have seen her on that big 700. Let's go. Let's go on the Honda 450. And you got the touring tank, bro. I love seeing that touring tank. What is that? The Genesis? Slam Jenny. Look at that bit. That bit clean. But he's on that big 700, I think. Or is that 450? I don't freaking know my quads, bro. Woo, there he goes. Look at homie. Homie in the back here. I see you. I love NYC. I love New York too, brother.